Welcome you all once again to this channel. Today we are back with another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you a new VPN app that can help you secure your online connection while you browse the internet. This app is already available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if there's anything you don't understand so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type the name of this VPN, which is called IGNIX VPN. This VPN helps you keep your connection stable and safe while browsing online. From the results, make sure to pick the correct one by checking its name and icon carefully. Once confirmed, tap on it, then click Install to add it to your device. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. On this channel, we regularly share apps that help you improve your browsing experience and connection stability, so make sure to stay subscribed for more tutorials like this. Now, once the app opens, you'll need to do a few quick settings to make it work properly. First, tap on the box that allows you to choose your network type. Among the available options, select UDP Global. This mode usually works in most countries and offers good stability. If UDP doesn't work well in your country, you can select your specific network from the list instead. Next, if your session time runs out while using the VPN, you can extend it easily by tapping the Add Time button. This will give you extra time to continue using your secure connection. Finally, to start the connection, simply tap the Start button. As you can see, it connects successfully and your VPN is now active. That's how you can get a safe and stable connection using IGNIX VPN. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.